the heart of the Middle East, nestled between Saudi Arabia and the Persian Gulf, lies the small but prosperous nation of Qatar. This country is home to a myriad of attractions and places that are worth visiting. From architectural wonders to cultural centers, from bustling markets to serene parks, from art-filled museums to enchanting beaches, Qatar is a destination that has something for everyone. One of the first places you'll want to visit is the Doha Corniche. This waterfront promenade extends over several kilometers and presents a breathtaking fusion of nature's beauty and man-made marvels, offering stunning views of the city skyline and the shimmering waters of the Arabian Gulf. It is an ideal spot for a leisurely stroll or an early morning jog. The Corniche is quintessential Doha, a picturesque representation of the city's evolution from a pearl diving village to a modern, sleek metropolis. With its perfectly manicured gardens, artistic sculptures, and the iconic Dow Harbor, it is a sight to behold throughout the day. Then there is the Museum of Islamic Art in Doha. Housed in a magnificent building designed by world-renowned architect I.M. Pei, the museum boasts an impressive collection of art spanning over 1,400 years. The museum is home to pieces from across the Islamic world, including Iran, India, Egypt, and Central Asia. From intricate ceramics to ancient manuscripts, from exquisite textiles to precious jewelry, every exhibit tells a story of the rich and diverse history of the Islamic world. Guided tours and interactive displays make the museum a must-visit for art lovers and history enthusiasts alike. Not far from the museum, Souk Waqif, Doha's oldest traditional market, beckons with its vibrant atmosphere. This open-air bazaar is a labyrinth of narrow alleys lined with shops selling everything from spices, textiles, and perfumes to handicrafts, jewelry, and falcons. The aroma of roasting coffee beans, the chatter of shopkeepers haggling over prices, the sight of locals enjoying a game of backgammon in the numerous cafes. The souk is an assault on the senses, a delightful chaos that provides a taste of the Qatari lifestyle. The Pearl Qatar, an artificial island and upscale residential and entertainment district, is another must-visit attraction in Doha. This man-made island is the epitome of luxury and sophistication. With its Mediterranean-inspired architecture, high-end boutiques, gourmet restaurants, and glamorous marina, the Pearl is a testament to Qatar's economic prosperity and architectural prowess. One cannot talk about Qatar's attractions without mentioning Qatar Cultural Village. This one-of-a-kind cultural hub is a melting pot of tradition and creativity. The amphitheater, opera house, art galleries, and museums here host a plethora of events and festivals throughout the year, showcasing the rich cultural tapestry of Qatar. And if you're a beach lover, Qatar Beach, with its golden sands and azure waters, offers a perfect day of sun, sand, and sea. Venturing outside of Doha, Al Zubarah Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is worth a visit. This 18th century fort, surrounded by a well-preserved archaeological site, is a window into Qatar's past. The fort's museum presents a fascinating insight into the life of the Bedouin tribes, the pearl diving industry, and historical significance of the site. For adventure lovers, there's the thrill of a desert safari in the inland sea area of Khor Al Adaid. Imagine dune bashing in a 4x4, sandboarding down steep dunes, and camel trekking in the undulating sands. Wrap up the day with a traditional Bedouin-style barbecue under the stars, and you have an unforgettable desert experience. Aspire Park, with its lush green surroundings and serene lake, is a haven for nature lovers. Whether you choose to jog along the pathways, picnic under the trees, or simply sit back and enjoy the tranquility, Aspire Park is a place to unwind and relax. There's still more to explore. The Sheikh Faisal bin Qasim Al Thani Museum is another attraction not to be missed. This private museum showcases a vast collection of artifacts, antiques, and art pieces from around the world, one hand-picked by Sheikh Faisal himself. From vintage cars to dinosaur fossils, from Islamic art to Qatari heritage, this eclectic museum is a treasure trove of curiosities. Whether you're interested in culture, history, outdoor activities, or simply relaxing by the sea, Qatar has something for everyone to enjoy. Its combination of tradition and modernity, of heritage and progress, makes it a destination that's not just about sightseeing, but about experiencing and understanding a unique way of life. So come, Let Qatar surprise you, enthrall you, and leave you with memories that will last a lifetime.